Hey guys, this is Steve from ARI-hetra here, showing you our new battery-powered wireless system. I wanted to show you guys how easy it is to sync our systems here. So this is just a quick demonstration. So we're going to turn lift 1 on, lift 2, lift 3, and lift 4. So as they're all booting up, you're going to see here. So ideally, first thing we're going to do is we're going to pick our channel. We're going to go to channel 5, and we're going to hit the auto button. Next one here, we pick our channel again. That'll blink number 2, and you hit the auto button. Same thing here, number 5, channel 5. Hit the auto button. And our last lift is kind of where everything happens. We pick our channel here. This will read lift 4. And this button right here locks everything in place. Once you hit that, you're ready to go up and down. And like I said, that's a brief, quick tutorial of how our lifts work and how simple they are. Thank you guys, and we'll see you on the next video.